If you have quite a few blog posts on your Squarespace blog, you've probably seen this automatic pagination that says older posts and newer posts. This shows up when you have more posts inside your blog than they can display on a single page. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to customize that text. I'm Becca from Inside the Square, and all the codes I'm about to share with you are listed directly underneath this video. But there are quite a few pieces of this code that you'll want to customize to make it uniquely yours. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and teach you exactly how to customize that older post and newer post text in Squarespace using custom CSS. Let's get started. Here we are taking a look at a code tutorial blog that I have in Squarespace. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom of this page here, you'll see that these are a lot of blog posts, but it's not all of them. Here we have the automatic pagination that says older posts. If I click on this, we'll be taken to the next set of posts in this blog. And if we scroll down here, you'll see it not only says older posts, but it also says newer posts down at the bottom. That pagination is what we're going to change. To add this custom code to our website, we need to navigate to Pages, then select Custom Code, then Custom CSS. If your menu doesn't look like mine, press the / key on your keyboard to search for your CSS panel so you can navigate there directly. Now that we're here, I'll zoom in on the CSS panel, and I'll paste our custom code. Instantly, you're going to see the text has now changed. It now says see previous list to go back to the previous page, and it says explore more tutorials to go to the right. Here's how this code works. This first part of the code makes the original automatic text a font size of 0, so we can't see it anymore. Then we've added text after that label. The next label was replaced by explore more tutorials. If you want to customize this, change the text here between these quotation marks. I also adjusted the font size to make it a little larger, and I changed the line height so it would be balanced well with the automatic arrow icon that you see here highlighted on the screen. After that, we did the previous label. This is where we added the text see previous list. This is the link that takes them back to the page that they were on. Again, customize the text between these quotation marks to have it display your own custom text. We also need to adjust the font size and again the line height here. This value of 2.2 rem and 1.25 rem, super customizable. I want you to play around with those numbers until it suits the style of your own unique font for your Squarespace website. Now, last but not least, we made a change specifically to mobile devices, any screens that are going to be smaller than 640 pixels in width. Let's head over to the mobile menu, and if we scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see that the text see previous list and explore more tutorials is now in a column. If we remove this mobile code, do you see how the text explore more tutorials takes up more than half the page, so it's displayed in 2 lines? I didn't like that look. So I added this custom code to separate those links and put them on separate lines. Again, this code right here is just for the mobile version of your Squarespace website, and it's going to take that previous and that next option and stack them into a column instead of into a row where they're only taking up half of the screen. Super customizable. You can totally remove that part of the code if you liked the way it looked before. After you've made whatever changes you'd like to make, select Save when you're done, and you'll be good to go. Underneath this video, you'll find the codes from this tutorial. Just make sure that you customize those important parts about the font and text style to make it uniquely yours. I've also included a few links to other blog posts of mine, just in case you want to learn more about how to customize Squarespace. I'm Becca from Inside the Square, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions about Squarespace, let me know in the comments. I'd love to help. Thank you so much for watching, and most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. Good news, Squarespacer. We finally have an AI that truly understands Squarespace. Meet Custom Cody. Built specifically for Squarespace users and trained on every nuance of the program, Custom Cody is your AI-powered assistant for effortless, expert-level Squarespace customization. Available now at customcody.com.